Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite 5G, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold the power key and select power off. Once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. And once you see the HUAWEI logo, you can let go. And there we go, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, you can simply restart the device and go back to Android, clear data, which will have the option to factory reset and clear cache, and then also go into the update mode or put the device into safe mode. And as you've seen, you just simply tap on each option like so. And that's about it, from whatever you can find in here. So I'm gonna now leave this mode by tapping on restart and going back to the Android. And there we go, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.